how to use old wooden blinds on the wall. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to use old wooden blinds or wooden blinds that might have been thrown away or unwanted by a friend to decorate a large empty wall space. These are pretty long and I'm guessing it came from a very long window. So all I'm going to be doing now is using my ruler in between the wooden pieces as my guide to give me accurate spacing, which has reduced the time that I would have used in measuring and calculating and spacing it out using either masking tape or any of those kind of stuff. I'm just going to be using a ruler in between to make my job a lot easier. This DIY is pretty straightforward, you guys. You just use a nail gun and keep arranging those slats in an orderly way till it's finished. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. The wooden slats that I used was just for one window, but it did cover a reasonable part of the wall. So now that I'm finishing up, I'll be adding some mirrors to the design. I'm gonna mount these vertically, so I'm just gonna be repositioning the hooks. I'm gonna have 3 mirrors on the wall and some sort of shelving at the bottom. These are the crates that I have and the size is perfect, so I'm just gonna have them mounted here and here. That way I can have another long piece of wood on top of it that's gonna serve as the shelving. I'm using the holes that was for the string that was on the blind as my guide. The whole idea here was to use these as some sort of storage, but because it's somewhere at the corridor, I don't think they will be too convenient. So after I had these mounted on, I was hitting myself on the head saying that I should have just used brackets. I seriously would have just used wall brackets, but I decided to just cover it up so it would look like some sort of white cube shelf that'll be on there. I mean, I have a lot of these crates, so I'm not going to regret losing 2. So I just went ahead to make it into a long white kind of shelving. And so far so good. This is what it looks like. I'll be putting a beautiful glass vase at the top in the middle And of course, I'm gonna have to secure it so that in case anyone bumps into it, it won't fall. So I'll be holding the vase down with command strips. I don't really like the part of the shelf that's extended out, so I'm gonna be using something that I've had for a while that I used for another project. Right there in the middle. I used it for my entertainment center before. And if you want to see how I made this entertainment center, the full link for this video is going to be down in the description box below. I'll be removing the screws that I had at the top and at the bottom to use something else to make it more flat. That way it's gonna flush with the shelving that I already have on the wall. I love this decorative onlay and I've used it a lot for my videos, and the link for it is gonna be down in the description box below. Here's the overall look of what this space now looks like after the wooden slats have been used on the wall. This is what it used to look like before, but then now with wooden slats from a window blind, this is what I have now on the wall.
If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
This has a fresh and modern look, and it took no time to make it all. This is when you have lights inside of the box that I had put in the middle of what I made. I had so much fun making this, and I hope you all enjoy this video as well. Now don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.